Look, there's a buzz about SMMA. और मुझे पता that everyone is trying to sell their courses over here. And if I tell you behind the scenes, YouTubers literally decide the price of the course through the amount of subscribers they have. If you have less subscribers, some course can be sold for 3,000 rupees. But if you have 20,000 subscribers, the exact same thing can be sold for 6,000 rupees. I've been doing SMMA for 1 year now, and past 5 months were nothing short of madness. मेरा calendar full था. I was closing Indian clients at a ridiculous price of 80,000, 1 lakh. When I reflect back and see all the resources I followed to learn about getting clients, be it doing outreach, sales, service delivery, मैंने realize किया that there's very big gap when you are doing SMMA in India, Bangladesh and Pakistan and not from USA or UK. For instance, you are able to collect the entire payment on the call in the USA. But India में आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. On the other hand, अगर आप Indian client से payment नहीं लेते हो, they'll never ever pay you after getting off the call. And these differences have hurt me and lakhs of Indian freelancers and agency owners for several years now, if not decades. Now, the only solution to this problem is having the right knowledge about how to do things. And primarily knowledge in India is imparted in only 3 ways. Now, first is the wrapper solutions available on YouTube, whose main agenda is to sell you some bullshit, sell you some marketing strategies that Adani and Ambani follow, and then sell their affiliate programs. Now, second is selling low ticket online courses that do nothing but burn your time and money. Literally, मैं इतने low ticket courses में enrolled हूँ, and I can say for a fact that they are nothing short of a scam. And if you think of it, it's the easiest way for someone on 1.5 lakh rupees a month. Now, third is the actual courses and mentorships that are valuable and can impart the knowledge that you need as a freelancer or an agency owner. The problem is priced at ridiculous amounts: 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, not even more. Look, I'll be very clear and upfront. I can easily go ahead and sell a 1 lakh rupees done for you programs to get appointments for your agency. But you know what? If you are being really honest to yourself, 90% of you won't be able to purchase it simply because of the fact that you can't invest 1 lakh without earning anything till now. So it leaves me with only one option, and that is कि मैं आपको एक 3,000 rupees का course बेच दूं, which is actually a great deal as it's specifically made for freelancers and agency owners in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. But there's a second very risky option that I give away every single thing that I have learned, be it from marketing, getting appointments, doing sales calls to service delivery, everything for free. And of course, it's not a great option because of 2 reasons. The first one is that I'm leaving at least 1.5 lakhs on the table. The second is that I'm increasing competition for myself. And I still think to this day that this isn't a good idea. However, I'm doing it. So, dear freelancers and agency owners, I'm giving you the access to every single detail that you need to work with high quality clients while sitting at your home with your time freedom without worrying about getting your next appointment booked. All of this for not for 10,000, not for 6,000, not for 3,000, but for absolutely free with Edify. Now, Edify is specifically for freelancers and agency owners based in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh looking to get high quality clients, and this is specifically divided into 4 components. The first component is the foundations. This is where we'll be choosing your niche, identifying problems of your niche, and creating our MVP or the minimum viable product. Then the second comes marketing. This is where you will be learning about getting appointments for yourself, and this is further divided into 2 categories. The first category is outbound marketing. It will be all about cold calling, cold DMs, cold emails, and everything in between. Now, honestly, I've never signed a client through outreach, and it's just the method that doesn't work out for me and causes time drain for me. So I have my friend over, Aditya, who has closed multiple clients at his agency by cold calling and DMs. He'll be teaching you the skill of booking appointments by doing outreach for your agency. Now, the second part comes the inbound marketing. This is where I'll be teaching you how to get appointments and clients using ads and I'll be going in 2x the depth of my most viral video on YouTube, where I explained how to use ads for getting clients for your SMMA. Now the third part is sales. Now this is the most detailed 45-minute long video where I'll be teaching you how to close leads and make them pay you through a robust sales process. Then comes the fourth part, which is service delivery. This is where I'll be teaching you how to create the best systems to handle Indian clients and getting them the best results, irrespective of your niche. Now, you can get the complete access to this course for free by clicking on the link in the description or the pinned comments. Just click on get access, enter your info, and join the group, and you are enrolled. With that, let me answer some of your most anticipated questions in advance. The first question you'll be having is that, Monish, will this be a short course with an upsell at the end? Now the answer to this is that this is a 3-hour long course and there is zero upsell at the end, and you can simply apply what's taught to sign actual paying clients at your agency. The second thing is that, Monish, is this a regular Facebook group that I can join? Now, mind you, this is not some random Facebook community of scammers. I'm posting Edify on a custom platform और मैं इसके लिए पे कर रहा हूँ so that you can get the best community and post without enrolling in some shitty Facebook group of scammers. Which means that not only you are learning everything for free, I'm actually paying for you to learn. Now look, I can easily put my hand to my heart and say that Edify is the best course for any agency owner in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. And the best part is you are getting access to the top-notch knowledge and an awesome community to collaborate and get help for absolutely free. So go out there, join the group, say hi to the community, and I can't wait for you to post your wins over there when you sign real clients at your agency. The link is in the description. I wish the very best for you, and I'll see you inside.